Hey, it's Leslie here with a little planner card tutorial. So this is going to be a tutorial on how to make a birthday card with happy planner stickers, because we all know we have a lot of stickers and sometimes we have pages that are like half used up and such. So I thought it would be fun to show you a little bit of card making. So I buy my white cards at Michael's. They're the Recollections brand. You can buy them in like I think sets of 25 or 50. I usually go 50 because I actually can't remember the last time I bought a card, so I always make my own. I have stamps and I have washi and I have stickers, so that's usually what I use, or my Cricut. So there you go. All right, so let's go ahead. I have this washi tape, which I think China sent me this, so thank you, China. I did have some like this that was Happy Planner brand, but it yellowed, so I threw it away. All right, so I thought we would use up the rest of this sticker book. It's a seasonal sticker book from like 2016. Yeah. So super old. I already bookmarked the page with my elastic that we're going to use. You can see there's just a little bit left. I'm not even sure if it would be enough to do like a birthday spread. So I thought we would use it to make a birthday card. Both of my parents have their birthday this month. So I'm probably going to be making a card for my mom though, because the colors are a little bit more girly. I think that's the only page that has birthday stickers in it. There might be like a confetti page or something, but other than that, like if there's like stars or something that I might use, but I think most of it is holiday related after that. Yeah, it is. Okay, so I think just this page will do for us. So I think I'm going to go ahead, and I like to do this in a lot of my cards. I kind of create a little bit of a trim or border. This washi feels high maintenance, so I'm just being extra careful. Like washi that's high maintenance is when you pull, it just tears right away. So if you pull slowly, then it doesn't hate you as much. So what I like to do is I like to kind of go up, I don't know, about a quarter of an inch maybe, from the bottom. That's as straight as I'm probably going to get it. But there you go. So I lay that down and then I grab my washi cutter. Sometimes, that's a palm. Sometimes I flare it out and cut it into a flag formation thing. Sometimes I don't, so this time I'm not. It's fine. So this looks like party confetti to me. I thought it would be cute. So that's probably the only piece I'm going to use of it. I really like it, but that's how much I'm going to use of it. I really think that these banners are adorable. So I'm thinking just in the corner. I'm not going to use both of them probably. This actually looks like enough stickers to create a card for maybe two cards. So we'll put that in the corner, give a little accent there. As far as like, usually you want something that says like happy birthday or a quote or something. So there's such a great day, or there's happy day. I think I'm going to go with happy day. And then there is a birthday card, or birthday card. There's a birthday cake. I'm making a birthday card. Hello. I would love to make a birthday cake right now, though. Okay, so happy day. And then we could put candles coming out the sides, like if I put it in the center. Or if I put it like up here, then maybe I want to do like some cakes, like some of the cakes and stars. That might be fun too. I haven't decided. Do we want to do the lots of cakes? I think we do. My mom is having one of those like special year birthdays. I don't think she would like it if I told you how old she is, but I'm 34, so you can guess. All right, so I think I'm going to go, do I want the cake to be the center or not? I'm trying to decide. I think I want to like lay it on this just a little bit, but not on a dot that's going to make the D disappear. There we go. We'll go down just a little bit. So as far as card making goes, I have been making cards probably since I was a little kid. But I have done some card, what do you want to call it? I don't know. I was published in an online magazine for card making, so that was fun. All right, I think I want to put the cake over here. So then the party's kind of happening on this side of the page. And then we can kind of add some decor here and there. I think I am going to grab, she'd be mad if I did like a classy black and gold one. She'd be like, no, I don't think she'd like that at all. So I think we'll do this one right here. Don't worry, I'm going to do something to it. And then I'm going to grab, we're going to need a black pen. Oh, good, I have one. I was like, ooh. Okay, and then we'll do this one going this way. I like that. Okay, let's grab our black pen. This one might bleed through. We'll just go with our Paper Mate gel, because that's what I got over here, which is fine. So we're going to make a little bow. So you just do like bunny ear loops, bunny ear loops. Go over it again. And then go ahead and go like this to make a little tie string coming off of it. And then we're going to take our pen. Oop, this is not a very thick pen. We have to go over this again. And just kind of make a little stream of a line. I'm going over it again really carefully because I want it thicker. Normally I'd probably do this with a marker. So if you have a marker, do that. All right, so there's that coming out of there. But I have missed doing crafty videos with you guys. I used to do them all the time when I did the Planner Society ones, which was so funny because I was just talking to Susan. Hey, Susan. I was just talking to her. She was talking about other clip storage like ideas. And I was like, actually, there's an old video that I did of like if you want your clips on display. It was a way to do that. I'm just gonna go ahead and do a little squiggly. I feel like I almost did the same squiggle. That's funny. I didn't mean to. And I sent her the link and she's like, I have not seen these videos. And I was like, oh, okay. So I sent her the playlist. So there is a playlist of my Planner Society unboxings. And so I would unbox it and then I would do a little crafty video. So that was always fun. Look, we made our own balloons. Voila. Our happy balloons. Okay, so we're going to have some stars and confetti, I think, as well. These ones are kind of like freelancy. But I think these will be fun to have on here as well. Do I want the yay? I don't think so. It's kind of a whole nother like little decor piece. And I think I don't want that. But yeah, I'm trying to think if I want any more on there. There's another yay up here too. But I think maybe a little gold asterisk. Maybe. And then I do feel like this peach and gold confetti needs to come with me because it matches our balloons. So we'll put that over here and kind of coordinate that in a little bit. And then maybe since there's a star over here, there's a little bit right here. We kind of add this one here. How about that? To kind of bring some balance. All right. So I think that looks good. And I think that's a fun card. So really quick, really easy. You don't have to spend a ton of time either if you're like, oh man, I don't have time to make cards. So a little bit of washi and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 main stickers, and then just like little accent stickers, which with a marker, or if you have Stickles glitter, maybe I'll bring that in next time. You can just dot those on it as well. If you don't have confetti stickers, that would be that as well. So I think that's kind of fun. So there you go. I hope you enjoyed this video. I used this sticker book right here, but a lot of the Happy Planner sticker books have a birthday page or at least something with cakes and happy birthday on it. So I hope that this video was helpful to you guys. And if you want to see more of these card making ones and not birthday related, let me know in the comments below what kind of card I should make next. So thank you all so much for watching and supporting my channel, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!